Hi, let's look at how to solve this picture symbolically. So first, let me just talk about how I would solve this as a picture of bags and coins, and then we'll kind of go into how we would solve it with these numbers. So on the left here, we have 6 bags, and each of the bags have the same number of coins inside, but I don't know how many are in there. But these 6 bags can combine with 15 coins is equal to 4 bags that have the same number of coins inside plus 19 loose coins. So 19 loose coins plus 4 bags is the same thing as 6 bags with 15 loose coins. So we're going to figure out how many coins are in each bag by eliminating things that definitely aren't in the bag. So the first thing we're going to do is just cross out these 15 coins because I know these 15 coins definitely aren't in those 6 bags. So if I cross off 15 coins on the left, I'm also going to cross off 15 coins on the right. Then that leaves me with 6 bags over here and 4 bags over here, but still 4 more coins. So I don't have, now I only have coins on one side, but I have these extra bags on both sides. So let's try to get down to just coins on one side and bags on the other. So to do that, I'm going to now just cross off these 4 bags over here and cross off these 4 bags over here. By doing that, that leaves me with 2 bags on one side and 4 coins on the other. So then what I can kind of figure out is these 2 bags must have these 4 coins. Well, if they have the same amount inside, I'm going to take these 2 bags and split them and say, well, then I'm also going to split these coins the same way. So that means there must be 2 coins in each bag. Now, if that were true, then that would mean that there would be 2 in here and 2 in here and 4. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 plus 15 is 27. And over here, this would be 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 19 is also 27. So that means that we found the right answer. So that's how you would do it by drawing. But now let's try the same thing, and we're going to follow those same steps, but this time with subtraction and with symbolically. So we crossed off the 15 coins for both sides. So cross off is like subtract. So now in the same way, I'm going to subtract 15 coins from both sides. Remember when we did that, the remaining thing was we still had 6 bags on the left, and we still had 4 coins left over here, plus the 4 bags. So the next thing we did was we crossed off 4 bags on both sides. So to do that, I'm going to subtract, but I'm not subtracting 4, I'm subtracting these 4 bags. So I'm going to subtract 4 bags from both sides. Okay. Let me see if I can pick this up and move it. There you go. So when I do that, then that left us with, if you remember, 2 bags on the left and no bags on the right. Well, that makes sense now because if I do 6x minus 4x, I would get 2x. And if I subtract this 4x from here, that only leaves me with 4 coins left over, just like in the picture. And then finally, we said that, well, to be able to figure out how many coins then are in each bag, since I know there's 4 coins in 2 bags, I divided those bags in half, divided them by 2, and I divided the coins also by 2. That would give me just 2 divided by 2, which is 1 bag. So that would tell me that 1 bag has 2 coins. And so I end up with the same solution, that x equals, that the number of coins is 2, by solving it that way. So that's how you would solve it symbolically. So we also talked, though, about being able to check your answer, because we're not always going to have a picture to check, so we're going to have another way to check. So how we check our answer is we use RSS. We're going to rewrite the original equation. So 6x plus 15, we go back to the very beginning, equals 19 plus 4x. Then the next thing we're going to do is substitute in the solution we have for x, wherever we see x. So that means 6 times x is now times 2, because x is 2, we think, plus 15. And over here, 19 plus 4 times 2, because x is 2. Now I'm going to evaluate the left. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 15 is 27. And I'm going to evaluate the right. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 19 is 27. And this is true. 27 equals 27. If you ever solve your equation and when you substitute in your answer, you get different numbers on both sides of the equation, that means you probably have the wrong solution. But in this case, it checks. So we did it.